On February 7th, 2022, we moved the Space Coupe into Espo Restoration in Van Nuys, California, where John Esposito and his crew are in the process of bringing the Space Coupe to completion, finally, after almost 40 years since its creation by Bill Cushenbery. In John's garage, you find everything from classic Volkswagens to Lamborghinis, but their main focus is classic Porsches. So it's appropriate that the Space Coupe should end up in this shop, since there is a connection between Porsches and Corvairs. Both of them are unibody construction with rear-mounted, air-cooled, flat engines. Bill Cushenbery created the Space Coupe on a modified Corvair chassis with a rear-mounted, air-cooled engine. John, you drive that car with ease. You feel very confident about it. That's good. I gotta get some of that confidence.